Okay, the dash is almost in. Well, the frame, or what you call it, and yeah, we have more parts in here, and yeah, there are no seats in here. I just took the front seats out to the work van, and I'm gonna do a proper clean for the seats. They are quite dirty now.
Hi guys, my name is Hannu and I'm from Finland. Come and join me as I convert this 2006 Iveco Daily to an amazing campervan. There is always an adventure waiting for you, so let's go.
So there is the place that we need to do the speaker setup. So need to build some kind of speaker holder in here, and same on this side as well, so it would be similar comparing to the other side. These are all cleaned up. They are now quite clean. I think I lost a few of the screws because the place in here is a total mess. So I need to find those screws somewhere. There is the top of the dash, and it has like a Velcro tape on it, and the other side is here, but so the Velcro come here. But there are a few places that I found that the Velcro has come loose, you know, but I can't remember where it was. Ah, here you can see there's the other side as well, but I have the same thing, this Velcro. This is a little bit different than normal if you compare to it like a normal Velcro. This is I think Würth makes the stuff, because I have the Würth stuff that it's quite similar to this. I need to try it out, test it in here if it works, but I'm sure that it's the same stuff. Why this goes here? Okay, I think I'm gonna do a little cleanup on the carpet in here. As you can see, there's all kinds of dirt in here, and then I think this might be a little bit of mold. So yeah, it's quite dirty in here. So I think I'm gonna do a little cleanup before I install any of these interior parts. I hate when because this is broken in here, but I don't know what to do, because I think you cannot get any more these carpets, like a second hand, or maybe second hand, but they are so old, so they might be in worse condition. Okay, so paint has now dried, so we can apply the sound deadening in here under this area, and also in here, so the cabin would be maybe a little bit quieter. But yeah, let's apply this material in here. Okay, now I have installed all all the material in here, and it looks much better, and also in here. So we can continue to install the carpet back into place, and there's some some cables need to be sorted also. These are the wires for the gauges. I don't know, should be this on the other side. Blue wire. I think this should be on the other side. I clean up this one. Give it a little scrub. It's easy to take it out, and you just have like a clips, 4 clips, 2 here and 2 on the other side. It's very easy to open up and clean from there. And I don't know if you can see, it's a little bit dark in here, so have a little problem with the flames when this caught on fire. Okay. I don't know if there should be like some kind of clip in here, but well, it's not anymore in here. Oh, this other one has, but I think it works. And this should go somewhere here, like this. Yep. Now I need to put the AC controller back here, and the little buttons as well. Little clean up first maybe, and then this goes here. Okay, now we have some of the parts installed. We still are missing some plastic in here and over here as well. I think I found one. I think this might go in here. Okay, one less to go. But yeah, I thought that I might install the battery and give it a little start up. The battery tray is here as well, and some of the electrics are back in there, but still this is a mess, as you can see. There are the wires that I already fixed, changed wires and fixed all of here. I think there was nine of the wires were cut off, because there's in here there's kind of like a metal panel, a little panel that all of these are attached to, and it has like a sharp corners and sharp edges, so when the wires go on top of the edge, it scrubs down, you know, and the wire was broken from there. But now they're all fixed, and yeah, this is looking better and better. What do you think? Okay, so here is the bucket of the filth. It came from the passenger seat, and I can show you what kind of stuff I'm talking about. Nasty. And yeah, this was the first round, and I'm gonna continue. I'm using this kind of car set in here. This is the passenger seat. It was in dark mold and other fill the stuff in here. And this is the driver's seat. There's some paint or glue or something like that, so I think, well, they're coming off as well if you scrap. Okay, the seats are here. They look cleaner and they smell much more better now. Not those moldy seats anymore. Okay, so we have a little plastic things in here that you put on the floor first, and then you install the seat on top of those. They're a little bit curved, as the floor is also, so it's pretty easy to find the place for those. And yes, we have similar ones also for the double seater in here. And yeah, now we have cleaned below the carpet, the mat, what do you call it, and also I glued the sound insulation as well in here on this floor area. Okay, I think it will hold. How this works. Now we don't have any bulkhead in here, so it's gonna be easy riding, huh? Okay, now we can install the passenger seat as well. So yeah, I'm gonna get it. Okay, now the passenger seat is in as well. And okay, so now the passenger seat is in as well. And we can continue working on the front end. And so when all the parts are back in, we can move the van to the new location. Then we can continue the work inside the van. Yeah, now it's in, so looks much more better now.